Under the Ministry of Agriculture and Agro-based Industry, we have few divisions, departments and also agencies looking after the development of durian. What MOA is doing through our department and also agencies, mainly Department of Agriculture and also MARDI, we are looking on how to get durian to have season outside the normal season. That's one thing. And we also have the technology under MARDI and also DOA of keeping durian for a longer period of time by freezing them using a nitrogen system, whatnot. Then they can have durian can last until 2 years, and then keeping fresh, similarly like fresh durian. This is where the technology comes in. Not only harvesting, but also how to keep the durian longer. In terms of breakdown, Singapore, the value for 2017 is about 35 million. Hong Kong 17.5 million, United States 8 million, China 3.8 million, Australia 2.2 million, and the rest of the country of 3.8 million. Total export value for 2017 is 70.6 million. At the moment when we started marketing to China, especially we go big way last year, and we had managed to gone through the protocol signed last August. Everybody is getting excited to plant durian big way. This year, 20th of August, we are so fortunate that we have signed the protocol to bring the whole fruits durian, frozen whole fruits of durian to China. And we are confident by having this protocol signed, we will be able to export big amount to China. Two main varieties. First is D197, which is the Musang King, and the other one is D24. So both have a big demand in China. Durian is always the main showcase for Maha. This year, I was informed that durian start to harvest, and I think this year we will have good supply of durian. And for sure, durian this year will be the main center stage. They will have fresh durian of Musang King and few other varieties, and also from the agro-based product, ice cream, durian crisps, whatnot. I hope that it will give more people opportunity to enjoy the fruits. And for sure, it's one of the main showcase of the Maha, and it's part of the new wealth we are creating now, where we have specifically special focus on durian.